Hey guys, I got a 2025 Toyota Grand Highlander. I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter. I'll link one of these in the description for you guys. So first you just open your box. Next, this is just the old version. Pop each side out. It removed automatically, but we're just going to push that off to remove it. Your filter door is right here. This one's actually harder to do than most vehicles. Most new Toyotas, you don't even have to remove the glove box. So that's the door right here. It's your cabin air filter. Probably needs changed. It's only got 13,000 miles on it. It's already pretty dirty, so get that changed. Again, I'll post one in the description for you guys. Dealership probably wants to charge 60 bucks for this. You can get one for 15 and replace it in 2 minutes. And again, to remove this, you're just going to push these down, pop out. Very easy to do. I'd say anyone can do this. Definitely something that you want to do yourself and save some money.